Hey again.
Oh, hey, friend.
So, I figured that I'd take this moment to sorta hang out with you for a bit.
Really? So keep me company for as long as you want.
Hmm. Sounds good to me. Anyways.
Wait, what? That too?
Yep. It's fortunate.
Just be careful with me.
I will. Ooh. Did I miss a spot? La 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 la.
That is a good line. I don't think I've heard Jake say anything like that before.
Oh, I heard that.
Hey, Jake, mind your own business. Or should I say beeswax?
What did you just call me?
Jesus. Snap out of it, Jake.
You're taking everything too far this time, Jake. Oh, yeah, I'm so sorry. I just want a normal life with you. Oh, I know. Did I miss another spot?
Ooh, bullseye. I used to hear that line in, you know, I usually don't watch cartoons that much because I was too busy sleeping. Or should I say,
Oh, no, you don't have to say anything. Whoa! Ooh. Okay, this might take a while.
that's fine. Take as long as you need to. I'm patient.
If I had a friend like you,
I know. You want to do a recap of anything?
oh yes, about that. Once again for spin only. Hold down spin. for pre-wash, hold down extra rinse. Do that again to disable pre-wash. And for control lock, if you have children and toddlers, hold down, rinse, and spin. You shouldn't be able to change anything at all. Bam. Do that again and it will disable control lock and unlock all controls. And to adjust the volume of the washer, hold down cold wash. As I mentioned in my other video. Also, I'll post a link to that. I'll post a link to that. The one that has helpful comments, or should I say, you know what? I'll post a link to the chime volume tutorial, because you'll find so many comments that make that video useful. If you don't hear anything, that means it is on mute. And if you hold cold wash again, bam.
Have you been practicing?
Engineering has always been my thing.
Oh. I haven't heard about that since you went gone.
I know. So sorry I left you for almost, how long did it feel to you?
It felt like, 8 months. Or a year.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes it feels like that way. Sometimes it feels that way. Anyways. Also, finish this up.
Oh, no problem.
Come on, focus. So it says use full cap for large or heavy soil floats. I guess I'll take that. Large cap for heavy soil floats.
Be careful with the detergent compartment as well.
Thanks. back in. See you in a bit.
You too, friend.